What's going on, guys? Your boy AMAR here. So today's video is going to be a business motivation / video. Now, what to do if business is dead? I repeat, what do you do if business is dead in the tire and wheel industry? Now let's get down to it. Let's get down to some honest points here, guys. I'm going to tell you right off the bat that even us being as big as we are online and having a major, being on a major road and everything, we do get dead days where we won't sell a rim and tire at all. Now, a lot of people, not a lot of rim shops and tire shops are going to tell you this because they always think they're bigger than everybody else and they don't want to disclose the dirt and the inside of what goes on. So, now, what do I do to increase business? Or you're going to ask me, Amar, what can I do to increase my business and get a customer to come in from the sidewalk into my store? But right off the bat, guys, how you found me? YouTube. Start putting on YouTube videos on rims and tires, reviews, and start talking to your customers. The whole world is online. People are buying cars online. Amazon has taken over the world, and people are buying little, all the way from a screw, all the way to a bedroom set online. So make sure your online presence is strong. All right, now, when you're dead and not making any money, I know it's hard to spend money. But see what you can do if you can advertise in your local newspaper or local classified newspaper, or if you have a little weekly flyer that goes out to your local area. See if you can advertise. Find something cheap for around 30, 40 bucks, or even up to 100 bucks. There are small little flyers that you can insert in newspapers. So go ahead and find those and make sure you advertise to get your name out. Okay, also what you can do, free advertising. Stick a sign out in front of your shop there, or roll out some tires, or put a set of rims on the fence, or if you're really close to a sidewalk, and if you can, stack up a box of 4 old rims and put a rim on top so people can come in. Like I said, signage. You can even get those little lawn bags made. Go to your local print shop and get 10 to 20 lawn bags and put them, about halfway down from where your business is, and put them towards your gate so people can come in and pull in. Talk to your local tire companies, tire suppliers and wheel suppliers. See if they can get you a big inflatable tire you can put in the front to help attract customers. See if you can get some free banners. See if you can get some free pamphlets. Anything you can get free, because it's not going to cost you money to bring a customer in the door. Now, a lot of times what you don't want to do is, I know what people think right about every day, you know what, man, let's just slash our prices. Let's basically put on tires that cost, or let's make very, very minimal. You don't want to cut yourself short. You don't want to start working for nothing. What happens? You're still not making money, and you're not going to make any money doing that. The people are always going to expect that, hey, this guy gave me such a good deal, and the next set of tires you price out, you're going to do regular price, and you're going to lose that sale altogether. So you don't got to get desperate and slash your prices where you're making no money. Stick to your good everyday price. Give people good customer service. Also, guys, I know a lot of tire shops and wheel shops and even automotive shops, guys, you slack big time. Is when you answer the phone, okay, try to have somebody dedicated to answer the phones. Make sure you're not the guy putting the tire on and answering the phones at the same time. If you're putting the tire on and the phone rings, you're going to give the guy crappy customer service. You're going to make it as short as possible so you can put that tire bead on. Don't do that. Make sure you have a dedicated phone line and somebody there to answer all the phones and take orders, because you're going to miss a lot of calls by not answering the phone properly. If you're the only guy working, trying to make ends meet at a mom and pop shop, you're doing everything, tell the customer, say, excuse me, sir, we're very, very busy. Take your number and make sure you call the guy back. Don't sell another set of tires and get lazy. Make sure you call the customer back, all right? These are things that what you can do to help increase your business when you're totally dead. All right, guys? Free advertising, online presence, great customer service. Put your signage outside your building, because that's free when people drive by. And eventually stick to your guns and business will increase. If you got any questions, DM me below or email. All right, guys, we try our best to get back to everybody. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Hillyards Rimlines, or my personal account at AMAR SIHRA, AMAR SIHRA. Hamilton, Ontario, you know where we at.